This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Irina Roth. Welcome home to this lovely house. Upon entry, you are welcomed by an open floor plan and an updated kitchen with lots of cabinet space. The home features a one-car garage with washer/dryer hookups, 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom with tub/shower combo, and a large backyard with access to the water. Other updates include a newer roof, flooring, windows, bath, and vinyl fence. Prime Pinellas Park location, minutes from shopping and dining, schools, and a short drive to Tampa or St. Pete/Clearwater Airport. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Irina Roth at 727-8713-846.